Hello guys, I'm back. I'm playing Tammy in ranked game right now. It's 4 minutes from the game. See, I'm just chilling, just playing. Someone asked me to play ranked game. I play ranked game. I'm just going to power dive this all guys or no. Let's see. Bro got Joe big and debated. Bro got debated so bad. And just kill this for XP, and this is the build of I'm using. It's time to heal. Papa mythic na ako guys. This is my journey to the road to mythic guys. Road to mythic. Guys, yun yun and not upload. We have school. So I'm not actually. Guys, I'm sorry, hindi ako na-upload ng video kasi may ginagawa ako sa school namin. Sorry guys. I'll redeem myself. I'm going to upload 2 videos in a row. One day 2 videos. Yeah boy. Now you're not safe from me. What the hell? Ginamit ko ultimate ko. Bro, I'm so damn, bro. Bro, yung green ni bro, ayoko punta sa green ni bro. Stop. Tulungan ko yung core. I said I'm going to reply to this. My team. Let's reply. Bro scared. Imagine, bro scared. That's crazy, bro. I'm just chilling with my Odette. She's chilling. Bro, my freaking arm is sweating a lot, bro. Why? I'm sick right now, guys. But I'm going to upload video. I can't. It's time to cook, guys. Bro, shut up, Tamus. We don't care. Ito guys, pinsin nyo yung lahat ng view. Ano, grabe. Grabe. Wala. Yo! Shit! Yeah. Guys, skip the freaking video if you want to freaking yo. Hey, yo! Hey, yo! Man, yeah? Hey, yo! Shut down. Alright, guys. Skip the video. I die. Skip. Bro, sorry for the lag spike, bro. What the hell is that? Time to hurt. Now, bro, scary too. Let me use my rapid burst. But speedy boy. Bro, dahil kanino tong guardian na to? Gay. Bro, Lord, bruh. Damn. Okay. Done killing the Lord. Time to kill the tank sa kalaban. Guys, wala ultimate. Guys, skip. Skip to the video, bruh. Skip.
Launch attack. Understood.
Bro, after this, I'm going to Guardian Helmet, bruh. I need thank you.
An enemy has been slain.
Nice.
Fellow Lord.
Alright, shot Guardian Helmet agad. Dahil sa ano. Damage. I need money, bruh. Bro, our mage is lagging. Bro, our mage is lagging, bro. What the hell?
Impressive.
Traitors.
Bro, what is that hook, bruh?
Team destroyed a turret.
We push. Bro, stop.
Team destroyed a
Let's
turret.
push. Bro, I don't care kung 0-3-7 ako, bro. Basta ma-win tayo, guys. Ma-win. Bro, what the fuck is this? Bro, someone call me, bro. Are you serious right now, bro? Bruh. Hey, skip to that video, bro. Skip, bruh. Skip. Oh, paypal yun ah. Gaming. Gay talaga nun ah. Bro, it's normal, bruh. It's normal to my friends, bruh. It's normal, bruh. Report me, bruh. Just chilling. Bro, serious right now? Odette is freaking left the match. Are you serious right now? Bro, and na to. Bro, skip the video, bro. Skip the video. Skip the video. Skip. Skip the freaking I die. Just typing.
Fellow Lord.
Oh, I'm back from the game. Kahit 0-4 ako, don't. Bro, wala akong intention na magkano. Just grinding. Bro, what is that hook? Bro, what is that hook, bro? It's a crash. Just random build, guys. Random build. Lala, di ko pinindot yung ano ko, ultimate ko. Are you serious right now, bro? Di ko pinindot yung ultimate ko. Bro, skip the video, bro. Skip.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Bro, hindi ko pinindot yung ultimate ko, bro. I'm so dumb. Hides game, bro. Hides game. Hindi ko pinindot yung ultimate ko, bro. Nalimutan ito. Bro! No, you're not cheating, bro.
Slain. Attack the Lord.
Ano na, target core. Akala ko yung core.
Attack the Lord.
It's time to pop my ultimate because I need to end this.
Impressive. Enemy killing. An enemy has been slain.
Push.
Launch attack.
Let's get to push right here. Wala, hindi ko kaya.
Launch attack. Destroy the turret.
Bloody kill. Bro, serious na bro, skip the beat. Skip. Bro, end now. Bro, end. Damn. Bro, freaking end. Yes, sir. Easy, bro. Easy. Alright, guys. The video is done. Like and subscribe to the another video. Goodbye.